Hello, this is a tour of my desk setup. We will about to see everything on the desk in a moment. And I designed this desk to be comfortable with the two laptops. Unboxing videos for every items on this desk will be given in the cards above. This is the Xiaomi Mi mouse. It cost me around 500 and it is a classic white in color and we have a glossy finish on the mouse buttons. So disadvantage about this mouse is that it is really small. For a guy like me with a big hands, it was not pretty much comfortable. I am using this for my office use. This is just a decoration piece, and I like this very much because it adds a contrast to my white desk, the green color, and whenever I see this green color, I feel a little bit relaxed. Unboxing for this will be in the card above right now. Yes, this was not Alexa. This was a Bluetooth speaker. I bought it roughly about 400 or something 2 years back. Yeah, this was good speaker. The box right here was used to manage all the cables. The charger and all the cables go right in there. So it helps us to maintain that minimalistic look on. The light right here is the desk lamp from Xiaomi. It was a smart lamp so that we can be controlling this over Google or an Alexa. This was the gaming mouse by Ant. It was RGB gaming mouse with a pretty comfortable look and a comfortable feel to hold on to. The unboxing of this video will be right in about. This was the Redgear RGB gaming keyboard. This was a pretty comfortable for me to play. This unboxing will be in the card above. This was the most exciting part of my desk. It was the office chair with a lightly gaming theme to it. So I got this on industrybuying.com around 35. No, it was about 3,900, and this I'll try to give this link in the description because the stock was out after I bought this from that website.